Hello, gorgeous. I'm Danielle Rosaria and I paint pictures. Today, we're going to paint a Quaker Parrot. I'm drawing the outline on a 5 by 7 inch stretched canvas, and I will be using acrylic paints. Quaker parrots are also known as monk parakeets. An adult Quaker parrot only weighs about 3.5 ounces and has a wingspan of 19 inches. They are known for being feisty, energetic, and very cute. They originate from temperate to subtropical South America. Since they came from mild regions, feral populations now thrive in some areas of North America and Europe. Quakers are one of only a very few true parrot species to build nests. Often Quakers will build a large colonial nest with separate apartments for individual pairs. Sometimes other bird species will join in and nest with them. Quakers are very intelligent, and individual colonies will develop their own dialect of vocalizations. They are prized as pets and can learn to talk, but because they are listed as invasive species in several states, it is illegal to keep them, as is the case in my state of California. I'm so glad I can paint this cheeky, beautiful, and very fascinating bird.